name's Lisa. I am based in Munich, Germany, and I create the German module for Lingvist. I was born in Austria, and at 3 moved to Frankfurt, Germany, and at 13 moved to the US, Seattle, Washington. I'm currently learning on Lingvist French and brushing up on my Spanish. I think Lingvist can definitely help you learn a language even when you live in the country of that language. It brings up the most common words so you can start talking immediately. It just kind of meets you where you're at in that culture and in that country. Technology in language learning basically should give you the information in the exact amount and at the exact time that you need it. People are busy, they have lives, they have hobbies, families, whatnot, and technology comes in really wonderfully. It calculates for us when a word should be introduced, when it's easiest for you to remember it. There's a lot of leeway for technology in language learning, for sure. I'm learning French or Spanish in my case for 30 minutes a day instead of 2 hours a day, and it gives me the same results. Who doesn't want that, you know? Who doesn't want to just have time given to them? Working at Lingvist is really, really, really ridiculously awesome. I'm not overstating it. I think for me personally, it's the best job I've ever had. Introverts and extroverts and from all walks of life, they all have different stories, and they're the developers that are quirky and awesome, and then there's the design team and of course the linguists. To some degree, I feel like it's a lot of pressure on me as well to design a really awesome, 100% correct, engaging German module that can be used for lots of people to learn German. The advice I would give if you're learning a language, just make a habit of it. Science has shown multiple times over and over again that if you make a habit of something, you do it, you know, and you get up in the morning, you brush your teeth, you do 50 words while eating your cereal. Like, just make a habit of it on a daily basis, and you will learn the language the quickest possible way.